Koiki Media, Olayomi Koiki, I've received the package. I've received our flag. Flag, wow. I've received it. I've received it. This is our flag. Oduduwa Republic flag. Yòrùbá Nation. This is our flag. I've received it. This is another one. Not to receive well. This is our flag. This is another one. This is our flag. This is another one. Yòrùbá Nation. Yòrùbá Nation Now. We are asking. This is our right. This is self-determination. We want a better life. We want to go back to our kingdom. Nigeria has expired. Nigeria has expired. Nigeria has expired. This is Pepsi. The content inside. The content inside. If it has expired, you can't consume this content anymore. So Nigeria was amalgamated and stated in the document that they used to amalgamate Nigeria, the north, the west, the east, that if it's 100 years, all indigenes are entitled to leave Nigeria. So this is what we're asking for, is our right. Nigeria has expired since 2013. It has expired. So we are asking for our right. We want a new nation. So there will be job creation. A new army will be formed. A new police will be formed. A new navy will be formed. A new jobs will be formed. So a lot of our sons and daughters, they will have jobs. You understand me? So crime will reduce. So we need our new nation. I need the orílẹ̀-èdè tuntun, Yòrùbá Nation. Yòrùbá Nation now. Yòrùbá Nation now.